Hello viewers on the web, I'm here to review Sound and Fury, the new Transformers cartoon, episode 3. Basically, it sucked. That show is so bad. Ooh. It doesn't even make the pinnacle of coolness. Now, the original Transformers, I couldn't stand it, but how do you put it? This one just doesn't compare. You got Optimus Prime with a wimpy voice. You need the deep, dark Autobots transform and roll out voice. Not this Autobots transform and roll out voice. That's so, how do you put it? Gay! So if you want to watch Transformers, watch the original series. Or, if you have taste, watch G.I. Joe, a real American hero. Fuck yeah!
Fight for freedom wherever there's trouble. G.I. Joe is there. G.I. Joe, American hero. G.I. Joe is there. It's G.I. Joe against Cobra and Destro, fighting to save the day. He never gives up. He's always there, fighting for freedom over land and air. G.I. Joe, American hero. G.I. Joe is there.
G.I. Joe is the code name for America's daring, highly trained Special Mission Force. Its purpose, to defend human freedom against Cobra, a ruthless terrorist organization determined to rule the world.
He never gives up. He'll stay till the fight's won. G.I. Joe will dare. G.I. Joe!